Well, let me ask you, what do you think about the structure of the classes and what you found most useful for yourself during the course of study?
Okay. Yeah, I can say that the structure of the classes were we had theoretical lectures, we had classes where we had a lot of practical exercises, we learned practical skills, mastered practical skills, and there were boot camps. It's like a third type of activity where we get together with all our coaches and we discuss a lot of questions about interviews, about resume drafting, about how to apply for jobs, and all those procedures you have to be ready when you're applying for jobs.
Did you find such structure useful for yourself or helpful?
Yes, it did help because we had a chance to ask questions from inside, from people who are hiring managers, who knows how psychology of job search works and job hiring process works, and this was very, very helpful.